Hello, hello, fam. Welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because we're always here having a good time. And come visit me on TikTok and Insta because I'm there daily. And of course, welcome back to Oldie but Goodie. You guys, the battle of the brow glue gel, all that stuff. We're doing that today because this recently released here in the US. It's available on Amazon as of right now. And this has been my OG favorite for about like a year or maybe like a year and a half now. So let's try them on and let's do a quick battle of GOT2B glue on these sparse brows. So, oh, I'm so excited. What I'm gonna do is apply the products on and really do my brows while I give you info about these because I've reviewed both of these thoroughly before. I did a full review on this one maybe last week. So that's what I'm gonna do. So these are how my brows look. They're sparse, as you can tell, they're short. We need a lot of help. And what I find with the GOT2B glue, when it holds my brows up so well, especially because I have oily skin. I'm an eyebrows before makeup because I just need to see the vision. This eyebrow's looking good. This one, she's on the struggle bus. You see that? You see that? I always start my brows with a paper towel. I always get rid of any sort of moisturizer, sunscreen, all that stuff because I put it all because we want to work directly with the brow hair. So now that our brows are kind of dried down, we're gonna start here on the left side. We're gonna use the original GOT2B glue in the big tube, which comes in 6 ounces. There's a smaller one, like a 3 ounce. On the right side, we're gonna go with the brows and edges, and this is 16 ml. This is 0.54 ounces. Oh my gosh, this is way smaller. Give you some info, and then I'm gonna resume probably while we're filling them in. The original GOT2B glued spiking glue retails for $5 to $8 for the 6 ounce bottle. This is a screaming hold that creates stiff and stand-up spikes. It is water resistant that delivers hold so strong your style will last. Tunnel resistant tested to withstand intense condition including wind. Great for all hair types or brows. The new GOT2B glue for brow and edges is a 2-in-1 for layering edges and styling brows. This comes in a 16 ml bottle. This has super strong hold up to 72 hours for brows and edges. Dermatology tested, vegan, free of silicone and alcohol, fast drying, no flakes with no stickiness or white residue. The 2-sided fiber brush allows for easy and precise application and styling. Retails for $9 on Amazon. Okay. I got the feels. So immediately this one I feel like glues down a lot, I don't know, faster. And it's flatter. Like you can flatten your brows very nicely, which means you just go flat and get the lamination look faster. Here, you see how they're looking a little fluffy? And this is that I waited on both brows to dry down, maybe about 30 seconds. Formula on the wand, it feels definitely lighter. It's not as thick. You guys can see like it's literally different in texture. So we have to kind of go back here. Here we have like fluffy flat. Here we have flat. So what I'm gonna do is speed this up. I'm gonna go in with my favorite pen, the NYX pen in ash brown, and then top it off with some Huda Beauty in rich, what shade is this? In rich brown. Okay, so back, let's talk through this one. I just got some concealer. You want to get this flat brush. Any concealer brush will work as long as it's flat. And then you saturate product on both sides so it becomes flatter. You're going to tilt your head and clean up the bottom. And then you're going to create this straight line. And then we're gonna curve. Make sure you don't touch the concealer with the eyebrow product you just placed. You can go arched, you can go curved. I personally like the bottom of my brow to look curved, and then the top is just gonna have its natural arch, you know? All right, and then when you have that, you're just gonna get any sort of blending brush and then blend this concealer down. I like to go with a very light concealer because it gives us that nice highlighted brow bone effect without actually highlighting with the highlighter, and it makes it look higher. And then once you blend it, you're good. And then here too. I will say, looking at them immediately, they look even, considering we used different products. Hold on, let me get this. This one's looking a little too arched because this glue is like legit glued down. Every single hair is glued, which is making this brow look arched. Here we have more of the natural sort of look. So I'm just gonna get some micellar water and remove it here. Let's make it look more round. I'm gonna finish up the face. It is currently, 6:16 in the a.m. I woke up so early. I feel like I'm fully awake now. Also, the lighting has changed. It was super dark when I started. Here's the original Got2B glue, the one we all know and love. Here's the new one. Hold on, we need a blend. Here's the new one, the brow and edges. It kind of looks good. I feel like we didn't start off like too strong. Hold on, we're like here. I think I need to get in here. Looking from like far, they look similar. You don't see much of a difference, right? Let's turn off the lights and get close. So here's the original. Here's the brown edges. You see, look, I keep finding spots here. Look at this spot right here. This one I feel like looks a little more natural, especially turning off the lights. You can kind of see. Here you see how flat this one is, and it's a little more structured. I mean, a minute amount, nothing like that you can really tell. You know, we're picky here. Let's touch. Yeah, the original, it feels flat on the skin. Here it's like you feel the hairs. Yeah, a little fluffy, you know? Like, oh, you can see here. Flat. Not flat. Original, new. Okay, this is why I'm obsessed with brows, because you just see such a major difference with them, you know? And you know how much I love brows. I don't know which one I like more. I feel like they're both really good. So you don't get a lot of product here. This is $9. This varies from $3 to $7 or $8 depending on the size. This is available everywhere at Target, Amazon. This is only available on Amazon as of right now because it released first in the UK or in Europe, and then it just now got to us. It's been like, I feel like it's been like a year. It's been a long time. But yeah, let's do a wear test and see which one lasts better if we see a difference. Oh, by the way, my lip is Rebel Kind from NYX. And I wanted to mix this one, 430 from Milani. Kind of liking it, right? A little vibe? Okay, bye. All right, fam, this is how the brows look. Here's the OG Got2B glue. You see how just flat it looks, it feels too. And then here is the new one. This brow's a little more on the round side, but you see how just like, I don't know, it looks fluffier. This one looks more structured. Yeah. They both feel the same. I don't feel one is heavier than the other one. It's just the original's thicker than this one. But here, oh, this brow's like thicker too. Our brows are sisters today. They, or maybe distant cousins. But okay, it's okay. Okay, bye. Amelia, hey, it is 6:15, let's say. We've had the brows on 12 hours. I do want to show you some footage that I took like 2 hours ago. Here is the OG but goodie original glue. And here on the right side is the brand spanking new brow and edges gel. They both look really good. Here is the original, and I like it. I like the structured look, but I also like the fluffy look. So I'm torn. I love them both. I think they're both beautiful. They last all day. They look good. They feel good, not heavy. Nothing's really changed literally from 12 hours ago. Look at these brows. Just love them so much. You guys, Got2B Glue just did the damn thing. Which one do I prefer? Honestly, I like them both. I can't pick. If this one never came around, I would work with this just fine. if we only had this as an option, this would be just fine as well. Definitely get more product with the original. It's just a little bit messier. It doesn't come with the spoolie, all that jazz, but we've been doing that for 1.5 years, so does it really matter? Not really. This, you definitely get a lot more for your money versus this. And this is only being sold on Amazon through GOT2B GLUED in the UK. Hopefully it'll become cheaper through time, you know, that's the hope. But honestly, these are both bomb. I love the brows, they look good. This one's a little archer, this is a distant cousin. It's okay, we don't look gastadas at all, we still look well put together. So I love them both. Let me know your thoughts. Which one do you prefer? This is it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out with me and spending a little bit of your day with me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the button right there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.